Hello guys, this is Rashmeet Kaur and welcome back to my channel Kitabi Puli Ladki. I hope you all are doing fine and are healthy in this pandemic. The second wave is actually worse than the first, so everybody is directly or indirectly getting affected by this coronavirus. So we all are looking for something which could divert us, which could heal us or help us and maybe productive. So I thought that what's better than writing competitions for writers, right? So if you're watching this video even after everything is fine and back to normal, oh I wish soon, you don't have to worry. These competitions are like evergreen competitions, and I hope this video will be universal and evergreen because these competitions are annual sort of competitions, monthly sort of competitions. The one thing about these competitions that I'm going to tell you about are they are international, they are legit, and they are free. Why I'm saying they are legit is because I myself have participated in all these competitions, and that's why I can say they are not sham. And also if you'll Google about them after you watch this video, you'll yourself know that these are actually prestigious competitions. So I have filtered out 3 competitions for this particular video, and if you want there'll be another series for another competitions and another writing platforms internationally and nationally. If you want that, let me know. But before that, let's start the video. So we have 3 competitions. I'll be telling about these 3 competitions. The first competition is the Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Okay, this competition is an international competitions for Commonwealth nations, and India is obviously a part of those nations, Commonwealth nations. So yes, Indians are eligible. This short story prize is actually awarded for the best piece of unpublished short fiction. Now in this competition, since it's a high-end international competitions and only for Commonwealth nations, it is divided into 2 parts. There are regional winners and then there is overall winner. Like regional winner, like Asian winner. So if you are selected from Asia as the best winner, you will get 2,500 pounds, and if you are the overall winner, you will get 5,000 pounds, right? Besides English, the submission can also be made in 2 other Indian languages, and that is Tamil and Bengali. There are other foreign languages as well, like Chinese and Turkish, etc. The criteria to participate in this competition is you should be above 18, you should be a citizen of Commonwealth nation, and it should be an unpublished piece. It should be an original and unpublished piece, and it also invites translated entries from any language in English. So you can be also send your entries like translated piece of any classic literature, and you will also get an additional amount as a translator. The word range is 2,000 to 5,000 words. Not so much, not so less. It's, I guess, the appropriate word range. Theme is open. Basically, you can write about anything, but if you look at the past winners and their writings, you will know that the writings somehow depict the societal issues and political or societal issues that we live in or face in. So it basically calls for such entries. And besides the competition, there are also other projects and narratives on their website calling for submissions. So besides this main competition, there are also other submissions, and there is also a magazine called Adda Magazine, which invites entry from all over the world, especially from Asian countries. So you can also look into that. I'll post I'll post a screenshot of that, so you can look into that. And the last year winner was an Indian of this competition. Her story was The Great Indian Tea and Snake, and that was a beautiful story. I'll link her story in the description box. You can check out her story. Her story is also present on the official website besides other winners, regional winners, so you can check that out. Alright, the second competition is International Essay Contest for Young People by Goi Peace Foundation. Now this foundation is actually based in Japan, and this is an annual contest. By the way, for that contest, Commonwealth Short Story Prize, the entries for this year, like 2022, will be around November, because the regional winners have already been selected for 2021. So for 2022, I guess the entries will close in November, early November, October. You should check their website for the updates. Alright, moving on to the second competition. Yes, International Essay Contest for Young People by Goi Peace Foundation is a foundation that is based in Japan. And this annual essay contest comes under the framework of UNESCO Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. So basically this competition is recognized by UNESCO itself. So you know the prestige of this competition. And every year the foundation, this Goi Peace Foundation, gives you a theme. This year's theme is What is Life? The deadline of this year's is 15 June 2021. And the criteria is basically, it's very flexible criteria. Now this contest is actually divided into two categories: children up to 14 years and youth from 15 to 25 years of age. Word limit is the main, it's just 700 words. And it is to be submitted through their website only in either doc or PDF format. Languages in which you can submit: English, French or Japanese. There's an online registration mode which is totally free. You have to just register it beforehand. You don't have to register it beforehand, means you have to register it the day you want to submit your entry. It's actually free and easy, so you don't have to panic about registering it days or months before. You can register it on the day of submission itself. And it should be obviously original, unpublished, and only one entry is allowed. Multiple entries are not allowed, and no co-authorship is allowed. The prizes are actually exciting. The prizes that are to be given in both children's and youth category separately. The first prize is a certificate and prize of 1 lakh yen, that's approx US $900, a gift. Second prize, to the second topper of course, is certificate prize of 50,000 yen, that is $450, and of course a gift. Third prize will be given to 5 entrants and a certificate along with that, and honorable mention will be given to 25 entrants with a certificate and a gift. Now before Corona, before everything got ruined, people who were like first rank holders from both the categories, they were invited to Japan. And the Japan used to bear the expenses, like the embassy or the organization used to bear the expenses. So that was actually exciting. But since the situations are out of control now, they'll be inviting the winners, first to third winners, prize winners, in a online gathering, and additional awards will be given to Best School Award, School Incentive Award if applicable, and all the prizes and all the winners will be announced on 31st October 2021, and certificates and gifts will reach to the entrants by December 2021. And you know, many Indians have excelled in this competition. They have found their place in top 3 entrants and also in honorable mentions, or basically Indians have excelled in this competition, so it's not that of an impossible task for writers, I guess. And also you can check their obviously past winning entries. I'll link in the description box. You can read their entries, especially of Indians, because that gives you a sense of encouragement that if they can do it, I can also do it. So yeah. Alright, the third competition and the last competition is Monomosmi Monthly International Essay Competition. Now I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Monomosumi. Alright, this is an Indian website that calls submission from all over the world, and every month they hold this competition, and the deadline of every month is 25 of the month. And the topic is usually not creative content, it's more like creative, it's not creative writing, it's more like content research. Like this month's theme is why you celebrate a particular day. For example, why you celebrate Earth's Day, why you celebrate Farmers Day. Now the backstory and everything related to that, it's basically a content research where you have to research about the topic. And along with the essay you have to send a plagiarism report. The link to get your work check will be given in their website only, so you have to click on that link, you have to submit your write-up, and it will give you a plagiarism report whose screenshot you will have to paste along with your essay. The criteria in this competition is also quite flexible. There are 2 categories: junior below 14 years and senior Senior obviously above 14 years, and there is no upper age limit, so anybody can participate, even a senior citizen. There is no upper age limit. Languages are English, Hindi and Bengali. You can submit in either of these language. Minimum word limit for junior category is 500 and for senior category is 750. There are prizes for top 3 winners, and there are vouchers for outstanding performers, and obviously participation certificate for all other performers. Besides this website is actually very diverse. If you will check their website, they'll call for submissions like poetries and monthly magazines like Viva magazine. And there are other competitions as well. Their Instagram page is pretty diverse also. They'll ask for like reels competition and artistic competitions. You can check out their Instagram page as well for that. And the link of their Instagram page will be in the description box. So these were the 3 competitions that I wanted to talk you about. I wanted to tell you about because these are free, legit, and of course, I guess this will be a way for you to come out of that all this mental issue health if you're facing any, because that has helped me a lot. And also these are just 3 competitions. There are n number of competitions that are out there, and if you want another part of it, and for Hindi writers also, if you want, because I write mostly in Hindi also, if you want other platforms, other competitions, do let me know. I'll make another series of this. Let me know if you find this video useful. Okay, all the best for writing. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.